Diksha, and today I'm going to show you how to get your skin ready for winter. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Now, before I get into the video, one of the biggest and most important things to consider while getting your skin ready for winter is to consciously look for moisture-boosting ingredients containing pentavitin, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, etc. That's not all. Always consider your skin type, as skincare isn't a one-size-fits-all, so do what's right for you. The first tip is to swap to a mild, soap-free cleanser, especially if you have dry skin. Soap, as you know it, is drying. Hence, during winter, since the air is dry, using a soap-based face wash will leave your skin feeling parched. Enter the simple Water Boost Micellar Facial Wash. This face wash removes makeup, impurities, and all the gunk from your skin without stripping it of its natural oils. With 4% hydrating goodness, thanks to vitamin E and provitamin B5, your skin gets some extra love while you wash. The best part is that it will suit you even if you have sensitive skin. The next tip is to incorporate a hydrating serum. Even if your skin is naturally oily, the cold and dry winter weather can dehydrate it. And guess what happens when your skin gets dehydrated? It often responds by producing even more oil, which can lead to breakouts. That is why it's crucial to introduce a hydrating serum into your routine. I am currently hooked on to the Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro Serum. This lightweight serum has a water-like texture and is enriched with powerful ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and pentavitin, which collaboratively deliver long-lasting hydration, leaving your skin feeling smooth, plump, and supple. Moisturizer is a must in winter, irrespective of your skin type. You see, when your skin gets dehydrated, it tends to throw tantrums in the form of irritation, sensitivity, and even skin conditions like eczema. So maintaining a calm and comfortable complexion means keeping your skin well hydrated. Let me introduce you to our go-to moisturizer, the simple Water Boost Micellar Hydrating Gel Creme. It is a real game changer. This moisturizer is incredibly light and it's got some amazing ingredients too. Plus, it's got glycerin that attracts and retains water, ensuring your skin stays optimally hydrated. When it comes to winter hydration, you absolutely can't skip a face mask. Sheet masks are like a quick spa session for your face. And who doesn't love a little pampering? For winters, even if you have normal skin, try to use a hydrating sheet mask at least once a week. One I'd like to recommend is the Lakme Skin Solutions Sheet Mask with Hyaluronic Acid. It contains 95% pure hyaluronic acid. Pop it on your face for just 15 minutes and you'll see your skin transform. Now, if your skin is very dry, then on top of your moisturizer, during the night, apply a light layer of a sleeping creme. You see, while you're tucked in bed, your skin gets busy regenerating and renewing itself. Sleeping cream gives it the extra nourishment it craves on top of a moisturizer, so you wake up with a fresh and revitalized complexion. Speaking of which, this is the Simple Water Boost Skin Quenching Sleeping Creme. This gentle formula is deeply hydrating. To add to it, it prevents moisture loss, which will help regain and lock in moisture while you sleep. So that was how to get your skin ready for winters. If you're interested in purchasing any of these fantastic products, you can find the purchasing links in the description box below. Before you go, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications for future content. Stay hydrated and beautiful.